Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to become a seller on Walmart. So let's get started right away. In order to start selling on Walmart, first of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in seller.walmart.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official website for Walmart seller and you will be asked to log into your account. If you don't have an account already, you can simply type in your preferred email address that you wish to use to sign up for your account and then enter your preferred account password underneath within the password box. Then click on the login button and you will be prompted to create your profile. Just enter your first and your last name followed by your phone number and your address as well. You can then proceed forward and verify your information by entering the authentication code that is sent to your email or your phone. After entering this code, your account will be verified and you will be signed up to your Walmart sellers account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up on Walmart sellers and start selling on Walmart. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.